Well, I've come to support Nandish. We've known each other from the days of Khatron Ke Khiladi. That's where we both met, and we became good friends out there. So I know Nandish as a very good actor. I know him as a party boy, loves to party, and now I know him as an entrepreneur as well. Like I remember him telling me that he wanted to, start this thing, and he wanted to buy a team in the BCL. So now he's finally done it, and he's going ahead with it. And I wish him all the very very best. या मुझे आई लव प्लेइंग क्रिकेट आई डोंट नो हाउ द बॉक्स क्रिकेट लीग का सिस्टम क्या है कैसा है आई यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट इन स्कूल आई यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट अभी जब अपना CCL का था उसमें आई वाज बिफोर गोइंग फॉर फेयर फैक्ट आई वाज ट्राइंग आउट फॉर इट एंड देन द टाइमिंग्स वर क्लैशिंग सो आई एम मोर ऑफ अ बॉलर and पता like a medium pacer and I love to field. I don't love batting that much because I don't know batting, but it's all good. I like it, and maybe someday you never know. I might get involved with this. But I've had my brush with commenting on this because IPL 2 ka I was a part of it and I was one of the anchors on it. So that was a great experience. One of those once in a lifetime moments when you get to meet all your icons. You get to meet all the people, all the cricketers who have inspired you and जिनको आप कितने सालों से बचपन से देखते आ रहे हो. So cricket obviously a very integral part. Now obviously थोड़ा saturation हो गया, but I still like the sport a lot.
So आपका कौन सा फेवरेट प्लेयर रहता था क्रिकेट में जैसे इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट की अगर बात की जाए?
International cricket में I've not been watching too much recently. But अगर पहले की बात की जाए तो I used to love Shane Warne, I used to love Curtly Ambrose and Walsh. Even till the very fag end of the career when उनका pace obviously बहुत drop हो गया था. In terms of, I used to love Jacques Kallis a lot. The War brothers obviously. Mostly there used to be a lot of South African and Australian cricketers because they were at the top of the game at that point of time. Currently I don't even know who the international players are actually. Apart from AB de Villiers, he's still very very good. He's still very very consistent. Sachin has obviously been one of my all-time favorites. My current favorite Indian players are Dhoni and Kohli, without doubt.
Like now you said Dhoni is your favorite player,
Yeah.
right? And you must be more excited because even a movie is coming on the line.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So did you see the trailer?
I've seen the trailer. I think it is very, very good. I think Sushant is going to do a very good job because I've worked with him on Vyomkesh Bakshi. I know that he's a very hard-working guy. To make that switch from television to film and then stick there, do so many films, and all of them, actually, if you look at it, he's chosen very good films. So that I think is a very brave choice to do because I'm sure that Sushant को भी बहुत सारे romantic films मिलते होंगे, but he does not have to necessarily do that. He's choosing his projects, and there could have been no one better than him to play Dhoni right now. I love Dhoni because he's from my state and he's one of the best cricketing minds, one of the best finishers of the game, one of the best captains that we've ever had. So I'm really looking forward to this because as the tagline of the movie goes, right? कि आपने cricketer देखा है धोनी, लेकिन what went into making that cricketer you don't know. So I'm really very curious and I think it's going to be a very, very exciting film.
So apart from other actors, right? The viewers are always dying for you, or the girls are dying for you to see back again in the Bollywood industry. Any upcoming projects are lined up?
Right now मेरा एक NDTV Good Times पे एक show चल रहा है which is in conjunction with Swiss Tourism. So that was a very nice trip that I took in June. It's telecasting now. It will go on for another 5 weeks. And that is something which was very relaxed, very enjoyable. Currently I'm working on a lot of songs. These are like all my singles or my covers that I had recorded for somebody. So tomorrow I'm shooting for a music video. And बाकी सब songs भी जो हैं they are in various stages of production. So once it finishes, उसके फिर video shoot करेंगे, उसको फिर time by time release करते रहेंगे.
Right. So एक दो तीन लाइन जैसा गुनगुना सको आप.
Okay. कौन सा गाना गाया?
Anyone which we
See, this is what happens. When somebody says sing a song, you forget.
forget.
Uh,
No worries, take it up, no worries.
मैं रंग शरबतों का, तू मीठे घाट का पानी. मैं रंग शरबतों का, तू मीठे घाट का पानी. मुझे खुद में घोल दे तो तेरे यार बात बढ़ जानी. रंग शरबतों का, तू मीठे घाट का पानी.